Hello, welcome back to my channel, LESL Online Class. I'm Dr. B. Back, relax, and enjoy our lesson. Don't forget to subscribe. Eyes on me. Your turn to listen.
Okay.
We're going to read a book. The title of the book is The Dog. What's the title? Before we read the book, okay, we have to learn the frequency words and the concept words. This word is has. What's this word?
Has.
All right, that's a frequency word. You put it right here. What is this word?
The.
Very good.
I really think that.
What is this word?
Hey.
Very good. Now, we're going to read the concept words. What is this word?
Goes.
Goes. Very good. Goes under. What's this word?
Big.
What is this word?
Food.
Very good. What is this word?
Toys.
What is this word?
Fields.
Fields. Good job. What is this word?
Friend.
What is this word?
Home.
What is this word?
Dog.
What is this word?
Water.
Water. What is this word?
We don't know.
Thursday. Let's sound it out. Thirsty. Okay, so what is this word? Thirsty. Let's put all these words in ABC order. That means it's an alphabetical order. Is there a word that begins with letter A? No. All right. Is there a word that begins with letter B?
No.
Yes. What's the word?
Bed.
Bed. This is the word bed. This is the first one. So we will put it up here and we move this over here. All right. Is there a word that begins with letter C?
No.
What about a word that begins with letter D?
Yes.
What's that word?
Dog.
Dog. That's the word dog.
And
All right.
And bed.
So we're going to exchange this with a dog. All right. Is there a word that begins with letter E?
No.
What about F?
Yes.
What are those words?
Friday.
Is that Friday? This is food, fields,
I don't know.
and friend. These three words begin with F. If they all begin with letter F, you go to the next letter. The next letters are O, E, R. Which one comes first, the O or the E?
The E.
The E. So we will move this up here, okay, and bring this down. Now you have words in ABC order for the words that begin with letter F. All right? Is there a word that begins with G?
No. Yes.
Yes. What's that word?
Goes.
Goes. Very good. Let's move this up and put this down. Is there a word that begins with H?
No. Yes.
What's that word?
Home.
Home. Very good. Is there a word that begins with I?
No.
J?
No.
K?
No.
L? M?
No.
N? O? P?
No.
Q? R?
No.
S? T?
Yes.
Yes. There are two T's. Thirsty begins with letter T. Choice begins with letter T. So they have the same letters. So you go to the next letter that says H and O. H comes first before O. So we'll move it up here. And then the last word is water. All right? Now let's read all these words that we put in ABC order. Let's read our frequency words. Now let's read our concept words.
Big.